They love to hate Igbos. Yeah, they take pleasure in hating Igbo people. Whenever we want to do anything in this country for everyone so that it will be well with everybody, they find a way to Igbotify it as a way to project hatred against the Igbos. They hate it when you vote for Igbos to separate from Nigeria. They hate it when you call for Igbos to unite with Nigeria. They hate it when we join to protest for the betterment of Nigeria. During the time of the NSAS that was protested for, even a lot of celebrities in Nigeria, both the Igbos, the Yorubas, and the Hausas called for it. Popular celebrities, I don't want to mention their names now, that we all know, carried the thing at their back. At the end of the day, guess what? They ended up using it against the Igbos and claiming that the Igbos came to use it to destroy Lagos. They are trained to hate the Igbos. And we have to live our life trying to explain to them the fact that, oh, it is not what we want to do. We want to bring the betterment for Nigeria. If killing stops in Nigeria, if the Christians in Nigeria stay safe as they travel and kidnapping stops, who is it going to favor? It's going to favor the whole Nigeria. Nigerians in Nigeria. The fact that your safety is there and guaranteed. Pastor Billy Akani gave his own testimony as to how he was saved from being kidnapped, and the people who he was to go home with ended up being all kidnapped, and almost all of them got killed. Now, in the northern part of Nigeria, to mention but a few, this particular thing was saying happened in the northern part of Nigeria. If those places are safe for people to travel through and fro, who is it going to favor? It's going to favor the whole Nigerians. But somehow we have no problem with the killings in Nigeria. When people start reporting about it in order to use it to bring stability in the environment. If Nigeria's economy grows, who does it help? It helps everybody. There are lots of celebrities and a lot of people that have spoken up against the killings of Christians and killings of other people in Nigeria, the banditry nature in Nigeria today. But somehow, because Igbos are involved in speaking up against it, it's going to be used to project Igbo hatred. Now, we also have to, the Igbos have to come back again in order to keep explaining, no, we are not, it's not for us. We are not trying to use it to destroy Nigeria. To hell with all of you. All you stupid bigots. To hell with all of you. You see all you fools from Arewa, all you that choose to be bigots, all you from Oduduwa land who choose to be bigots and the middle belt, who thinks that whenever we join hands in order to make for the betterment and protest for Nigeria to be well, that we are trying to destroy Nigeria, then you forget about the whole people that were involved in it and put it on the Igbos, and you expect us now to come again and be telling you, oh please, we are not the one. It's not that we are trying to destroy Nigeria. What we are trying to do is this: to hell with you and your mama, to hell with all of you and your families. You see, if you think we are using it for the purpose of destroying Nigeria, that is what you think. Let it be in your head. To hell with you, we owe you no explanation.